Hey there, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here in Hollywood, California. I'm going to give you some really great information today. Now, this is something that I receive, this question I receive quite a bit. And you know why? Because it's also the thing that I wanted to know the most when I started. It's how do I improve my vocal range? Guys are always asking me this, how can you improve vocal range for a male? Well, let me talk about it and give you something that's going to really help you. First of all, I had such terrible time because my voice was naturally a little bit lower, had quality, had this deeper quality to it. So I was always used to falling back in my throat. So it was cutting off my air. So that's why I wasn't getting my higher notes. And so what I would have to do is push into my notes. So think about this. If you think of your range being this way, this very vertical way, notes, lower notes to the higher notes, you have all these different breaks. Now, if you've been used to pushing, you're going to try to push through those breaks because you've cut off your air. So you're not going to reach your higher note. So what I had to learn to do is to change that, to reverse what I was doing, bring the notes down, not pushing it into them, and becoming aware of the places within my range where I needed to make those adjustments to not push into the notes, but allow the notes to come to me. I'm going to do an exercise here that will explain this. This is typically a pattern that I use for my lip trill, but I'm going to show you on this. I'm going to do this A sound because I want you to hear how I'm moving through the range, and as I'm going higher, I'm allowing the adjustments to happen, so then I get my higher notes a lot easier. Let me go here. A, A, A. Now up here, I'm reversing my old habit because I wouldn't let me push into it. Nope, I'm going to start here and pull it down. I'm going to form a new habit in my body, which allows me to develop more of my range. Now right there, hey, I let that go. Now I'm not pushing into it. I've developed a habit now where I'm not pushing into everything. So now I can allow the vocal cords, this is important, I can allow the vocal cords to thin, hey, to reach that note instead of me trying to force it there. So anyway, the bottom line is this. When you understand that you have all of these different parts of your range, and as you're moving through them, you have to allow your body, your vocal cords, to make adjustments to move through them instead of you pushing. So anyway, practice this, but be patient because it will take you some time to change your old habits, but you will get this. All right, I know this will help you guys. Please share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.